Hey, let me show you a quick unboxing of the SONY ULT Field 1 speaker. So first of all, when you take a look on the box, on the reverse, we can actually find information about the battery life. So it's around 12 hours. We can also find the IP rating. So this is actually the IP67, the dust proof and the waterproof. The key feature, so the ULT series is actually made about the bass. So here we got the powerful bass, the same like with the new Sony headphones. And right here we can find information about the connection. So it's made for the iPhone, for the iPod, for Android. Let's now move inside the box. Okay, here we can find the cable. So this is definitely the charging cable, the USB-C to the USB-A. Here we have our speaker. It's covered with this material. Okay, so that's how it looks. I just ordered with the orange, but there was also the black, the blue. Right here we've got the panel, we've got the volume buttons, play and the pause button, Bluetooth pairing, power button, the alt button that actually improves bass. That's how it looks from the left side. From the right side, there's also the Sony logo. At the bottom, nothing. And on the back, we can actually find the USB-C input for the charger and some base information. Now we can try to turn it on. There we go. Let's take a look what we can also find in the box. So from this we can also find the user manual and some pairing information, and that's all. So yeah, this is it, the quick unboxing of this new Sony speaker. And if you are looking for other videos with this device, for example how to pair it, or if you have any questions, just go into my channel, open the search engine and input all of these phrases that you are looking for. Right now please subscribe.